In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI agent mode in Microsoft Excel. Open Excel, and on the Start page, click the imported workbook to load it. When the file opens, make sure the sheet shows 15 rows of sales data spread across 5 columns. This confirms you are in the correct workbook before moving into agent mode. Next, open the Copilot app. If needed, this app is installed from the Microsoft Store, but for this tutorial, it is already installed, so go straight into Copilot. Now select the file you want to attach to the chat. After that, click inside the message box above so the cursor is active and ready for your prompt. Type this exactly as written and give it enough time on screen as you enter it. Analyze the sales data in this workbook. First, add a total revenue column to Sheet 1. Then create a new worksheet with a pivot table summarizing total revenue by region and product. Finally, add a clustered bar chart on that new sheet, showing the top 5 products by total revenue. When the full prompt is in place, click the send arrow or press enter. In the Copilot pane, the agent now displays its plan as a numbered list of actions. As those steps run, Excel updates live in the workbook. When the option appears, click Download to save and open the file. You will see a total revenue column added to Sheet 1, a new worksheet inserted, a pivot table created, and a chart placed on that new sheet. Click the New Sheet tab at the bottom of the workbook. Check that the pivot table includes region and product along with total revenue values. Then click the bar chart and confirm that it displays the top 5 products by revenue. Scroll back to Sheet 1 and confirm the total revenue column is filled down every row with the formula equals units times unit price. Now click back into the prompt box at the bottom of the Copilot pane. Type this follow-up request exactly. On the same new sheet, add a pie chart showing total revenue share by region and format all revenue values as US dollars. Press enter. Watch as the agent applies the updates in place. The existing pivot table and chart remain. A new pie chart is added, and the revenue values are formatted as US dollars. Click the New Sheet tab again and confirm both the pie chart and the currency formatting appear. You now have a sales workbook turned into a mini dashboard using 2 natural language prompts in agent mode, and the Copilot pane shows the full reasoning log of what the agent did. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.